In today's video, I'm going to teach you the Bluehost WordPress tutorial 2024 for beginners the easy way. Setting up a WordPress site with Bluehost is remarkably simple, and I'm here to guide you through the process with ease and clarity. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to visit Bluehost's homepage. Simply open your browser and type in www.bluehost.com. Navigating to their site is our starting point for everything that follows. Once you're there, get comfortable with their layout, as we will be spending some time here. Now let's focus on finding you the perfect domain name. Move your attention toward the top menu of the home page and click on Domains. This steps us right into the domain discovery phase, where you can search and select the best domain to match your site's needs. Next, you'll find yourself on the domain name search page. Here you're able to type in your desired domain name, considering the brand or niche you're targeting. Don't worry if your first choice isn't available. There are plenty of great alternatives waiting out there. Once you've typed in your desired name, it's time to click on the search button. This will pull up available options and similar names to consider. Spend some time here to explore different possibilities and refine your search until you find something perfect. When you have a few options in mind, you'll want to choose a domain extension. Domains can end in .com, .net, .org, and various other extensions. Selecting the right one can be important, especially if you have global or specific region interests, as each extension has its own implications and uses. If you're feeling creative or a bit stuck, Bluehost offers an AI domain name generator. This handy tool can provide you with fresh ideas based on keywords you're interested in. Simply click on Generate a Domain with AI and input the themes or words that represent what your site is all about. This is a fun and innovative way to break the mold and find a standout domain name. Another alternative if you're aiming for exclusivity is exploring premium domain names. Although they often come at a higher cost, premium domains can add superiority and instant credibility to your brand or project. Simply search through these premium listings to see if any fit within your vision. And there you have it, a walkthrough to finding and securing a domain on Bluehost. Take your time in selecting the right domain, as it can be a fundamental part of your online presence. Once you've made your choice, you're all set to proceed with setting up your WordPress site on Bluehost. Thank you for joining me today, and happy domain hunting.